Hello, everyone. Today I just received a package today, and this is for July 27th, 2023. And I bought one VHS tape from eBay, and I purchased the tape on July 22nd, 2023, which is Saturday, I believe, and right today on the 27th on Thursday. And let's get to unboxing. I'm gonna use my knife today because it's in a box. Oh, you know what? I have a new knife I should use. Yeah, it's in there. My mom got me this and when she was in Arizona. So, yeah, it's really nice looking. Brand new knife. Okay. It's a good condition. Nice looking. Pretty sharp. There's a button. Got it. Okay. Let's see what it is today. Yep, it's a good classic question. I already have this tape, but there's a reason when I got this, which I will show you guys why I got another couple years in a second. Alright, this is the 2000 VHS of the Gold Classic Question of Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas. This is my second copy. I have another copy, which is a 2000 print, but there's a special reason why I got this tape. A little dirty on the top of the clamshell there, but I can clean it off after the video. There's the spine and the back. Special bonus features: Deck the Halls, music video performed by Shell Daisy, available on Shell Daisy's Christmas album, Brand New Year. A perfect Yuletide stocking stuffer, says Scott Blakey, Los Angeles Times Syndicate. Yep. Now we'll see if this is the right one. This is a pretty rare one. Take a look at this. Yes, I got it. This is a extremely rare blue tape cassette. And it's got an ink label. Yeah. I found this on eBay. I had to pay about $25 for this, but yeah. But I just could not risk not buying it because this is just too rare. It's rerounded. Tape is a little worn because it's been outside. But yeah. Originally it's supposed to be in a March the Z tape. And we'll see the birth date. Yep, knew it. Birth date is November 17th, 2003. I knew it was going to be a 2003 reprint. Well, yeah. That's the extremely rare blue tape cassette for a Gold Classic collection. I know there's others out there, but those are pretty hard to find too. And I think I know a YouTuber who has a tape like this too. But, yep. That's it for my VHS unboxing for July 27th, 2023. See you in the next video.